And then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. So sweet. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's been walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. I do love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head. So I gave her the car keys. She helped me right in bed. And then I told her, as I turned down the light, I said, darling, you look wonderful tonight. You surely do.